This is the place, heavenly place. Whole place are watery. See? Very natural. Ah, hen is finding its food over here. Gentle breeze are running over here. Birds are chirping. Most of the places of Bangladesh are like this. This is a land which is can called a land with beauties, lush land. Yeah, a motor vehicle is going. We are waiting for the boat so that we can go to get in touch with the red lilies. We have come here to see the red lilies. It's early morning, though not very early, but it's a bit early. 8 o'clock over here. We came here, we started from our home at 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. Then after 1 hour, we reached over here. See? Sun. Crow is calling. Do you know this is hyacinth? And these are all, jute stick. This is the season when the jute sticks are kept to make it dry, because these are used for most of the people as to the gasoline for their cooking. See, a boat is over here. This is a personal boat for a family, because this place is watery, so most of the people, they use boats to move from one place to another. Very natural. I'm getting the, scent of the mud, even the air. See a banana, whole banana trees, a couple of trees, banana trees are over here, and bananas are hanging from the trees. So if you come over here, your mind will be peaceful. You'll feel very peace in your mind. You will get the nature in touch with you. The sun is a bit cloudy, covered with the cloud. We'll be here for some times, then we'll start for our journey to see the red lilies. So thank you. Thanks very much to you all. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.